So imagine an environment where you are held accountable, an environment where you get assistance on all of the challenges you have, and you are guided in a manner that is expected in order for you to achieve your goals. Imagine an environment where you don't have to worry or think about how expensive data costs are, and you don't have to think about, oh, I was not able to join lectures, but you can get access to the videos, download them, and use them to study anywhere you are. Imagine being out of town and there is no access to the internet, but you still have access to content to enable you to prepare well for your examination and, most importantly, pass the examination. This is exactly the environment we have created here with our Nhyira Premium platform, a licensed tuition provider for the ICAG Professional Qualification Program. Listen, we understand how your schedules are, but we also know that it is important you upgrade yourself and take your life to the next level. We know it is not easy for you to really make time or to sit down to go through 3-hour lectures. And so that is why we have broken down all our lectures into the key topics that you need to know about. So when you take any subject at all, we've actually divided the subjects into the key topical areas, which means that you go on our platform right in our mobile application, which you can download on the Google Play Store or the App Store, and then whatever subject that you're doing, you go to a specific topic, a specific subtopic, to be able to understand the material that is in the syllabus. Then you can now expose yourself to questions. And so let's say you are doing something in respect of management accounting. Okay, you want to learn about marginal costing, go watch it. You want to learn about activity-based costing, go watch it. You want to learn about standard costing and variance analysis, go watch it. You want to learn about budgeting, the preparation of budgets, short-term decisions, relevant cost analysis, make or buy decisions. You just go into the mobile application and you're able to download these videos and watch them over and over again so you can put yourself in the position to pass the examination. Listen, I say this always, that it is important you break down your study cycle into sessions over the 12-week period, so that by the time that you are going into the exam hall, you've actually covered a greater percentage, about 98% of the syllabus, and that is the only way you can put yourself in the position to go to the exam hall with confidence, write the exam, and most importantly, come out with a flying colors. You cannot wait 2 weeks to the exam, a week to the exam, and think that you can magically attend any class and that will bring everything to light for you to go into the exam or and pass the exam. But if you are willing to work hard, willing to be mentored, willing to be guided, then certainly our online portal is what you need to leverage on and use, and we will be able to help you and provide you with the mentorship that you need in order for you to pass the examination. I'm really excited about our platform and what our team has been able to put together, and the way we are transforming how professional education is to be, and how we can really tailor studies towards busy business executives who are also having other responsibilities, but also are under the obligation, quote unquote, to advance their skills and take their life to the next level. And so if you are still on the fence and you're looking for a community to join where you'll be held accountable, you get access to downloaded content, watch on the go wherever you are, study at your own pace, then certainly our community will be a good fit for you. So you can head on to our website, NhyiraPremium.com, or download the Nhyira Premium mobile application on the Google Play Store or the App Store and enroll in a course today to start studying from anywhere you are, wherever you are located. We want to assist you, provide you with the mentorship that you need so you can put yourself in the position to pass the examination. I say this always, that you don't have to write the exam over and over again. You don't have to sit for the exam 2 times, 3 times, because if you put yourself in the right environment and you have the right mindset and you are guided properly to know the material, number 1, how the material applies to various scenarios, number 2, understanding the context of the questions, number 3, and most importantly, how you are expected to structure your answers, I can guarantee you you can go to the exam hall, write the exam with confidence, and pass the examination. I know we can help you because we've been in the game over a decade, and with our team here, this is what we are called for, this is our mission, and this is all we know how to do best. And so join our community and be part of the success story. I know we can assist you. I know there is a lot that we can do to really make this journey an easy one for you, but most importantly, help you so that you can achieve that goal to become a chartered accountant and take your life to the next level. We understand how this profession is on your heart, and we understand how you have been dreaming of actually realizing this dream. We want to walk the journey with you, and we want to make it more interesting for you so that you can get this done, take your life to the next level, and focus on other equally important things in your life. Because at the end of the day, that is all life is about. You don't have to tie down your life just because you want to become a chartered accountant. And there are some of you, your lives are literally on hold because you are waiting to do this, but all efforts that you have been putting in place have not been yielding any results. If you only allow us and be part of our community and follow the guidelines, follow the blueprints, and leverage on what we have created, you will be in a better position to go to the exam hall, write the exam with confidence, and pass the examination. So head on to our website, NhyiraPremium.com, or enroll in a course today in the Nhyira Premium mobile application. And we look forward to having you walking this journey with you and providing you with the blueprint you need to take your life to the next level. I'll see you in one of our live lectures.